This Zoofen 4.7 frying pan mini round is a helpful tool for small cooking tasks. It is a single egg skillet, perfect for making one egg at a time. The non-stick surface helps prevent food from sticking. This makes cooking and cleaning easy, and you won't waste any fillet of fish. The Zoofen 4.7 frying pan mini round has a long handle. The handle makes it easy and safe to hold while cooking. It is a breakfast pan, great for making a quick morning meal. You can use it for eggs, and maybe even a small PB&J sandwich. The blue color adds a nice touch to your kitchen, and it is easy to store. Overall, the Zoofen 4.7 frying pan mini round is a good little pan. It is non-stick, and it is the right size for one egg. Cleaning is simple, and the handle is comfortable. If you only need to cook a single egg, this pan could be just right for you, and it won't take up much space with your other books. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: small size, good for one egg, non-stick surface, easy to clean, long handle, easy to grip. Cute blue color, round shape, breakfast pan, affordable price. Cons: handle melts, handle broke off, loose handle, coating stank, non-stick stopped, coating bubbled, coating flaked, easily scratched. Features: Zoofen 4.7 inch frying pan, mini round, egg skillet, single egg, non-stick, one egg. Fry pan, breakfast pan. This Zoofen frying pan is small, only about 4.7 inches across. It's round and made for cooking a single egg. The pan has a non-stick surface so food won't stick, and it's easy to clean. It also has a long handle to make it easy to hold while cooking breakfast. This little pan is blue, and good for making one egg at a time. This small, round, blue Zoofen frying pan is designed for cooking a single egg and has a non-stick surface, a long handle for easy gripping, and is affordable. However, some customers have reported problems with the handle melting or breaking off, the non-stick coating losing its effectiveness, bubbling or flaking, and being easily scratched, with some even mentioning a strange smell from the coating.